Hi friends, welcome to my channel in my Vedic Mathematics Intermediate course. So what are you going to start today? Before I talk about that, what you have done in the last time? Last time we have seen how to multiply two numbers with different base, but they are both are above base. Numbers are above base. So they have got different base, but both are above base. And I hope you have understood it and you have practiced on it, whatever questions I have given to you. Now, what are you going to do today? We're going to do today is very simple process, but since it's a little different, shortcut method of multiplication by 9. How to multiply by 9 in a shortcut way. It's quite simple. Rather, I have made it a lesson just to make you understand that this also you can do, just to induce your imagination that this is also a possible way of doing a problem. So, do the problem very simple. We'll start with it with an example. Example is first question 52 multiplied by 9. Now, what we are going to do is 52 multiplied by 9. We can multiply it by 9 into 2, 8, 1, 5 minutes of 45, 1, 46. So, we will not do that. So, what you can do with the alternative way is multiply this 52 with 10. This becomes 520 minus 52. We have multiplied it one more times. It becomes 468. Rather, we can write here 52 by 9 into 9 can be written as 52 into 10 minus 52. Instead of multiplying 9 times, you have multiplied 10 times, you will minus it. So it becomes 520 minus 52 is 468. That's quite simple. It's quite simple. There is nothing extraordinary in it. Just to have a thinking like this. You can always think like this and do your problems easily. We'll have another problem. The problem is 68 into 9. So what will be doing? 68 into 10 minus 68. This is 68, 680, 68. It becomes 612. That way we have reduced the process of doing multiplication and all that. Simply we have done 68 into 10, then minus 68, 612. Quite simple. Let's have another question. 76 into 9. It can be written as 76 into 10 minus 76. This is 760 minus 76, 684. Quite simple. I hope you have followed it. There is nothing difficult at all. Things are very simple. Only thing is how we think about it. Multiplying this instead of 9, multiply by 10 and reduce by 76. Quite simple. The last question for you, 98 into 9. This can be written as 98 into 10 minus 98, which is equal to 980 minus 98, 882. Things are simple, quite simple. 98 into 10 minus 98, 980 minus 98 is 882. Similarly, if you can imagine again, right? Think with your imagination. If suppose the question is 98 into 99, here again things are very simple. We'll multiply it like this, 98 into 100 minus 98. That's quite simple, 9800 minus 98. 9702. So that instead of multiplying by 99, which is a long process, we can multiply 98 into 100 minus 98, this. Right? That way you can do. Suppose the question is 86 into 99. So we'll write it as 86 into 100 minus 86. And that becomes 8686. Right? 86 into 100 minus 86, because we are multiplied 86 one time more. We have reduced it and it becomes 8514. I hope you have followed it. Now I'll give you a few questions to practice. Things are quite simple, but still you need to practice. Yes, exercise 43 into 9, 67 into 9, 86 into 9, 95 into 9, and 87 into 99. By this method, 95 into 99. Do try these 6 questions by this method. Because for doing any question there are many methods, and you'll come across with many other methods by which we can do the same problem differently, right? So, but then you should learn every process, because whichever is good for you in the real examination or in the real test, you can apply that whatever is suitable to you. But you should learn all the processes, all the methods, right? So I hope you have followed it and you'll be able to practice these questions. Do practice it. If they still find any problem, any difficulty, please do write in the comments box where I can reply to your question. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon, like and share with others so others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics from here. So what are you going to do next time? Well, next time we are going to do multiplication of numbers ending with 9. I mean, if you multiply a number with 19, multiply a number with 29, multiply a number with 49, and what you are going to do? Then again, there is a shortcut method of multiplying numbers when you are multiplying it numbers which are ending with 9. That is what you are going to see next time. So till the time I meet you again with my next session, all the best. Please take care of yourself.